don't you go get your fucking, go get your own shit. Take my shit, go get your own shit.
We about to go to Popeyes, chill out.
How many sauces come with it? How many? Yeah. Okay. Can I get?
I see him, bro. Big ass titties. Bro, what the fuck was those that just happened?
I don't know, but I'm looking and they big.
Fuck, they was some super size.
They was huge size. I hope she gets some breasts. I want to touch her breasts.
Can I get a 4-piece with 2 breasts and a thigh?
2 breast, a thigh, and a wing, right?
Yeah.
Bro, he looking at her breasts too. You see how he said 2 breasts?
Chill.
Oh my God, bro. Oh my God. See, that's what I'm talking about the big girls, bro. Why? No skinny girl would never do that. You see how she... I'll be right back.
You just put your breast in there with me.
You gotta do what you gotta do.
Let's
Go to the
You
car.
always gotta be doing something.
yeah. I like the way you on the glass. Yo, what the fuck this? Fuck is this nigga at? Fuck you, eyes up, bro. So are they real? What is he on, man? Yo, like I know he is not out here trying to full on understand the breast. Is you? No.